Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new to this channel, I say a warm welcome to you. Today we are making akara or akala. Okay, so akara is made with beans, black-eyed beans, which is soaked and peeled, blended with other spices. All right, so we're gonna make a quick akara. So come along, come to the kitchen. Let's cook together. So guys, instead of going through all the hassle and the stress, I am fortunate enough to have the powdered version of the beans, so that is what I'm going to use. Next, we're going to blend cloves, Guinea pepper, hot pepper, onions, red pepper. I'm using half, and some water. Don't use too much water, just a little bit of water. So at this point we're going to blend all this together and add to our mixture. At this point we're going to mix the dry ingredients. So to your beans powder, you want to add a little bit of paprika, fish powder, and salt. Mix. And add the pepper mixture. If it's too thick, add some water. I'm going to add the water bit by bit until I get the consistency I'm looking for. This is what we're looking for. Perfect, and it looks fluffy and creamy, and you can tell it has increased in quantity. So now we're going to begin frying our akara. Guys, our akara or akala is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.